Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan. Dear student of class 6, I wish you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss about chapter 3 lesson 1 to 6. Only MCQ suggestion. You have recently finished these chapters, these lessons, so uh, I am going to give you some MCQ suggestion. Number 1 MCQ is soil is a natural substance which is formed by integration of minerals and organic matters. Number 2, the uppermost layer of earth surface which gives support to plants. Number 3, layers different layers are formed into different thickness, and every layer has different physical, chemical and biological characteristics. Which one is correct? Number 1 and 2, number 2 and 3, number 1 and 3, or number 1, 2 and 3? The correct answer is number 1, 2 and 3. Answer is D. Number 2 MCQ. How many components are there in soil? There are 4 components. Mainly there are 4 components. That is mineral, number 1 mineral, number 2 organic matter, number 3 air, number 4 water. So there are 4 components in soil. The percentage of air is 25%. The percentage of water is 25%. Mineral percentage is only 45, and 5% organic matter. What a percentage of mineral material present in soil? Percentage of mineral material present in soil. Option A 20%, option B 25%, option C 45%, and option D 35%. So there are 4 options. Out of 4 options, answer should be C 45%. Number 4. What is the percentage of water present in soil? Option A 20%, option B 25%, option C 30%, option D 35%. Answer should be B 25%. Now MCQ number 5. What is the percentage of air present in soil? Option A 20%, option B 15%, option C 30%, and option D 25%. The answer should be option D 25%. Now MCQ number 6. What is the percentage of organic matter present in soil? I have recently tell you about the percentage of 4 main components with their names. In that then I said the percentage of organic matter present in soil is 5%. Answer C 5%. What are the types of soil on the basis of agricultural purpose? Agricultural purpose, there are on the basis of agricultural purpose, there are three types of soil. They are sandy, silty, and loam. Sand, silt, and loam soil. What is the percentage of sand particle is present in sandy soil? This is option number. This is MCQ question number 8. Option A 50%, option B 60%, option C 70%, and option D 40%. Answer is 70%. In sandy soil, sand particle should be present at least 70% or above. It may be 80% or 90% or 100%, but it should be more than 70%. Then we can say it a sandy soil. Which of the following crop cannot grow in sandy soil? Sandy soil, we can grow melon in sandy soil. Melon means tormoj. We can grow potato, aloo in sandy soil. We can also grow Indian millet. In Bangladesh, we can say it bajra. Bajra. It is the another name of Indian millet is bajra. It looks like maize plant or wheat plant. It looks like maize or wheat plant. So let's see how an Indian millet looks like. This is Indian millet. This is the fruit of Indian millet. Huge amount of grain present in a single branch. Indian millet plant. Indian millet plant. Let's see some Indian millet plant. This is Indian millet. In our country, we do not see the Indian millet, but in India it is available. So its name is Indian millet. So this is Indian millet. So option D is sugarcane. Sugarcane cannot grow in sandy soil. So answer should be D. Number 10. The soil that contains less than 70% sand particles but more than 20% loam particle is called sandy soil. Option A sandy soil, option B silty soil, option C loomy soil, and option D clayey soil. The answer should be loomy soil because loomy soil contains less than 70%. If it contains more than less than sand particle but more than 20% loam particle. Less than 70%, more than 20%. So it is loomy soil. Option 11. The soil that contains minimum 40% of clay particle is called clayey soil. Answer D. Answer D. Clayey soil. The arrangement of sand, silt and clay in a certain defined pattern is called soil structure. Is called soil structure. Answer should be answer B. Soil structure. Which are the chemical properties of soil? Soil color. Soil color. Option A soil color. Option B soil texture. Option C soil structure, and option D salinity. So answer should be chemical option D, because salinity is a chemical property. But salinity is a chemical property, but soil color, soil texture and soil structure are physical properties. They are physical properties, but salinity is chemical property. So answer should be D. Most of the crop grows well in loamy soil, because in loamy soil there are less sand present in loamy soil. There are less sand present in loamy soil than other type of soil. Its texture and structure is medium, and its water holding capacity is also medium. So most of the crop grows well in loamy soil. Number 15. Paddy grows well in sandy soil. Option A sandy soil, option B silty soil, option C loamy soil, and option D clay soil. So answer is clay soil. In clay types of soil, water holding capacity is highest. So paddy grows here because paddy needs high amount of water. Following soil structures are more favorable to crop cultivation. Granular, crumbly, plate-like. Granular, crumbly and plate-like. Granular structure is a small ball-like structure. Crumbly structure is larger, but it is marble-like structure. It is the size of soil is larger than granular, but it is also favorable for crop cultivation. On the other hand, plate-like structure is like, it looks like plate, so it is called plate-like structure. It looks like plate, but it is very difficult for plant root to penetrate into plate-like structure, so it is not very much favorable for plant. So option A 1 and 2 is correct. What are the sources of irrigation water? There are two sources of irrigation water. One is surface water, another is underground water. So there are two sources. The productive capacity of pond is more when clearness of water is up to 25 centimeter. Clearness of water is up to 25 centimeter. If the color of water is dash, it should be understood that there is natural food for fish. If the color of pond is green or brown green, option A green or brown green, red or red brown, blackish, colorless. Brown color of pond, brown color pond. This is green color pond and this is brown color pond. Brown color pond occurs due to presence of brown color algae. These algae are the natural food for fish. So option should be option A. What should be the depth of pond best for fish culture? Depth of pond should be at least 2 meter. It is best for fish culture. If it is more than 2, then the higher in the higher depth, oxygen availability will be less. So for better oxygen availability, the pond depth should be 2 meters. In which season fish growth is less? Fish growth is less in winter season, spring season, rainy season, summer season. Option A, winter season, because winters and fish growth is higher in summer season and fish growth is lower in winter season, vice versa. Best temperature for rui culture is 25 to 30. 25 degrees Celsius is best because 25 degrees Celsius is called room temperature. It is very natural temperature or tolerable temperature for any animal. So the best temperature should be 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Which one increases the amount of fish food in water? Calcium, phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium. And answer should be phosphorus, because calcium is necessary for only bone formation, but phosphorus is the main component of some proteins, so it is very necessary. Which one is beneficial to aquatic microorganisms? And option A, calcium. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, nitrogen. And option D, potassium. The answer should be nitrogen. Which one is needed to fulfill the demand of food for fish? Option A, calcium. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, nitrogen. And option D, potassium. Answer should be option D, potassium. And the last one, read the following sentences. pH less than 7 means it is acidic. pH more than 7 means it is acidic. pH equals to 7 means it is neutral. Which one is correct? pH, the basic basic thing is pH less than 7 is acidic, pH equals to 7 is neutral, and pH more than 7 is alkaline. So the correct answer should be 1 and 3. It is wrong. The number 2 is wrong. pH more than 7 is not acidic. It should be alkaline. Thanks for watching this video.